going on, everybody? Hope you're all having an amazing Wednesday so far this morning. 6 a.m. I know I'm not filming this at 6 a.m., but they go up at 6 a.m. every day. Hope you guys are enjoying these daily videos. Today, something's been happening, all right? Today, it's about 4 p.m. right now. I've been sitting here, oh, wrong way, at my desk there in my living room on calls for about 5 hours so far. And the reason I do that is because I feel like I'm evolving. I'm learning new things. I'm making myself learn new skill sets. The skill set right now is communications, talking on the phone, closing people on deals on the phone, learning how to do these things, you know, through communication. Communication was the biggest things that I feel like I lack, not in a sense of talking to the camera or talking to other people, but in a sense of closing deals and learning the art of the sale. So I've read a few books, but you know, I really just put myself out there. I don't know if you're in any of my email lists or my chat bot, but I sent out a broadcast. I allowed people to book a call with me, 30-minute free consulting call, whether I close a deal to help you out or not. You know, I've been on these calls helping people all day. I believe the more value you put out there, the more wealth you are going to attract over time. And I feel like a lot of people focus on the money instead of the value being put out there. So me right now, I'm focusing on the value, focusing on the people that have scheduled calls. And if you want to schedule a call, I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this, but I'll put a link in the description where you can book a call and answer the questions I have for everybody that books a call. But what I want to talk about in this video is more of just putting yourself out there, forcing you to do things that you know you're not good at and that you don't want to do. I don't want to be on calls all day, talking to people on the phone. But when I come down to it, I'm like, what do I enjoy? I enjoy, you know, helping people. What is my biggest goal for 2019? Have my students generate over $10 million in sales. How am I going to accomplish that? I'm gonna have to talk to them. I'm gonna have to guide them. I can't just, you know, have them rely on themselves. I need to hold them accountable. And maybe it's even some of you guys watching this to get to where they wanna be. You know, that's my goal. So today's Wednesday. Wednesdays are focused on students, so that's what's happening today. Every Wednesday we have the weekly live stream. But also another thing I want to mention real quick, I never really show my apartment, but no furniture, all right? The furniture I have is very, very basic, all right? I got plastic table and chair from Walmart, air mattress, kitchen, washer dryer. I got a 2-bedroom, by the way, which is probably stupid. And then this room right here, which is just basically my office. This is supposed to be the master bedroom. Look, I don't have any furniture. All I have is a bed. I have my bedroom down there, by the way. I have a bed and 2 desks. So what does that force me to do? Work. Literally all I have to do right now is work. That's all I can do. I can't just sit on the couch and watch TV because I don't have a TV. I got a computer. I can watch TV on there, but you know, I've forced myself and I'm putting myself outside of my comfort zone, and I feel like a lot of people are scared to get themselves out of their comfort zone. So get out of your comfort zone, do things you don't want to do, but know that they will help benefit you in the long term. I don't want to sit on calls all day, but I know it's going to teach me a skill set that's going to be useful throughout my entire life. So that's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm learning, and you know, also helping people at the same time, which I really enjoy. So put value out, you'll attract more wealth. At least that's what I believe. Put yourself out of your comfort zone, do things you don't want to do, but you know that will help improve your life for the long term. I'm focused on my long-term goals right now, not just the short, instant gratification goals. So hopefully you do the same, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.